The attorney representing many of the women and children in this case say the number of clients has ballooned, as large as the state may allow before the anticipated January jury trial. The plaintiff's attorney, Tom D'Amore, says more than 170 women and children still haven't convinced the Clackamas County District Attorney to reconsider criminal charges against Farley.
There has definitely been more evidence, more clients, more victims since this started and since they did their investigation. So if he wants more evidence, it's there.
DA John Wentworth has told KGW he carefully reviewed claims by Farley's former patients and stands by the way his department handled the case. In the civil trial, D'Amore is now hoping to depose 3 doctors who practiced with Farley during his time at West Linn Family Health Center to see what they knew, but the defense is trying to quash that.
The system's not working well when you've got over 100 women, children, accusing a doctor, and even some admissions by the doctor of what he was doing, admissions by the staff of his clinic of what he was doing. Still, these cases are not prosecuted like they should be.
In the fall of 22, a Clackamas County grand jury declined to indict Farley on criminal charges. Patients suspect the grand jury did not see all the evidence.
And our clients had the impression that they were being brushed off. They weren't being listened to.
KGW has spoken with several of Farley's former patients who said he abused them for years after trusting him as both their doctor and a prominent member of the Mormon church.
And he said, "Oh, everything feels so good." And then he took his hand out and fondled my genitals and tried to get me to have some kind of a corrective procedure on my labia.
He stuck his hand down my shirt and started to fondle and squeeze my breast. And I just remember thinking, this is really weird.
In this latest amended complaint, submitted in October, patients allege they were stripped naked, fondled, assaulted, and graphically photographed by Farley on his personal cell phone. The Oregon Medical Board revoked his state medical license in 2020 for dishonorable and unprofessional conduct and gross or repeated negligence. Farley retired that same year and moved to Idaho. Tuesday, his attorney declined to comment, citing ongoing litigation. And D'Amore believes this case may have grown too big for local police and Clackamas County to take on alone. He's hoping the newly elected Oregon Attorney General will step in to reevaluate and possibly prosecute this former doctor. Back to you, David.
Yeah, we'll see what the new AG says when he takes office. Thanks, Libby.